What if we could hear their stories? Their struggles and triumphs could teach us invaluable lessons about cooperation, resilience, and the interconnectedness of all life forms. Perhaps we could learn to see the world through their eyes and gain a deeper appreciation for our shared ecosystem, one that we often take for granted. Let's embark on this adventure together and uncover the wisdom hidden within the humble ant. Ants are nature's unsung heroes. These tiny social insects work in unison, forming complex colonies that can number in the millions. They construct intricate underground cities that resemble vast metropolises, complete with highways of movement and chambers for nurseries, food storage, and even waste disposal. Ants establish sophisticated communication networks, relying on chemical signals known as pheromones to convey crucial information. For instance, when a forager ant finds food, it leaves a pheromone trail back to the colony, guiding others to the feast. Their world is rich with cooperative strategies. For example, leaf-cutting ants cultivate their own food sources by farming fungi, while fire ants display extraordinary teamwork by creating floating rafts to survive floods. But what about us? We often overlook their role in the grand scheme of things. It's all too easy to forget that ants contribute significantly to our ecosystem. They aerate the soil, help decompose organic matter, and serve as an essential food source for various species. Imagine what it would be like if we could communicate with them and understand their perspective on the world. What might they say about our actions? Would they share their thoughts on the impact of urban sprawl, pollution, and the continual encroachment of human development on their habitats? Now, let's delve into the potential consequences of our negligence towards these remarkable creatures. Picture a scenario where urban development is encroaching on an ant colony. The construction noise alone disrupts their intricate communication systems. Ants rely on pheromones to exchange vital messages, announcing food sources, issuing warnings about predators, or signaling changes in their environment. When those signals are silenced by the cacophony of machinery, chaos ensues. With food sources cut off, colonies begin to dwindle, affecting the foliage that relies on their processes. As we pave over their homes for housing developments and highways, we unknowingly dismantle the balance of entire ecosystems. Without ants, we could face an increase in pests, poor soil health, and diminished crop yields. This is not just a hypothetical situation, it's a growing reality in many places around the world. What if this continues unchecked? Our cities may soon find themselves grappling with food shortages and uncontrollable pest populations, leading to a crisis that touches us all. The consequences of our actions ripple outward, and the once harmonious relationship between humans and ants becomes strained. What might these tiny architects of the soil teach us about the fragility of the balance we often take for granted? Imagine the ripple effects of losing these tiny collaborators forever. In a hypothetical future where ants vanished entirely, we would witness a catastrophic collapse in natural processes. Without ants aerating the soil, plants would struggle to grow. Forests and grasslands would decline, leading to further habitat loss for countless species. The intricate food webs that depend on ants for balance would unravel, leaving a void that could never truly be filled. Now consider the impacts on our own lives. Crops would fail, the food chain would collapse, and human livelihoods would be threatened. The absence of ants would mean a world devoid of the essential services they provide. It is a stark reminder of how interconnected life truly is. The health of our ecosystems is directly tied to the well-being of even the smallest of creatures. If we continue to disregard these small wonders, we gamble with our future and the health of our planet. What can we do today to change this?